Computer engineering is the engineering field that sits at the intersection of both hardware and software.
Computer engineering is kind of a mix of electrical engineering and computer science.
It's being able to take computers and literally do anything with them.
Most people that use computers have no idea how a computer works, and that's great. They don't need to know. But that's where computer engineers come in.
Computer engineering is the only major where students learn about computing from top to bottom.
I was first excited to understand how devices communicate, although they are not in the same place, how the internet really works.
I was a big gamer growing up, so I was always interested in how computers worked, how my video game consoles worked.
It wasn't until I took apart my first computer that really inspired me to say, hey, I want to learn more about how this computer works, what is it made up of, how can I make my own computer.
But at the same time, I was also in a lot of programming classes, so I liked the software side of things. Computer engineering was the perfect unison of the two areas.
I really just think it's the best place for people to be in, especially if you're not entirely sure where you want to go. It's just in computer engineering, you can find the space you want to be in or where you fit best. And because of the way the curriculum is set up, you have time to figure it out still.
Here in computer engineering, students develop the skill set that is really unique.
The foundation that we have in both hardware and software opens the door for a lot of different opportunities. I've learned that computer engineers are kind of needed everywhere.
This is one of the best times in history to get involved in computer engineering because we see a growing need, a rapidly growing need, where the entire world is becoming digital.
I deal with this every day. I work with 2 or 3 dozen companies in my research, and these companies come to me regularly asking about graduates.
I think really just the community we have up here, because we have, a whole support system. I know almost all the students in my classes.
Whenever I take classes here, every professor really has a passion for teaching.
And that passion and that energy has really been inspiring for me as a student.
So what I really like about computer engineering here is that all the classes have a lot of teamwork in them, and it really helps us go through the entire design and prototyping process.
At the University of Pittsburgh, students have exceptional opportunities to learn by making.
Our students here at Pitt use the technologies and equipment and tools that are used out in the field.
A lot of the concepts that I learned in my first and second years of engineering, especially my first year of computer engineering, I used pretty much every single one of those core concepts from class in my internship.
This field feels almost like sci-fi. We're at the cutting edge, we're developing most of the new technologies, and we're helping advance humanity at such a rapid pace.
Computer engineering is a really good place to kind of put your creativity to use and design anything that you can think of.